Welcome, viewers. Welcome back. You are watching the MRF MMSC FMSCI Indian National Motorcycle Racing Championship 2020 Round 1. We are at the TVS One Make Championship Novice Category Race 3. There's the grid you see on is for the Race 3 of the TVS One Make Novice category. A quick revision of the lineup from the second row. Second row is started by Alvin Sundar of Chennai, followed by Jagdish Vijay of Bangalore, and finishing the row is Uday Prakash of Coimbatore. And the third row is started by Yashoda Krishna Kala, followed by Teja of Hyderabad, and finishing the order is Sudhir Sudhakumar from Delhi. And fourth row is started by Mohammad Yusuf, followed by Jayant, and finishing the row is Gokul from Chennai. And fifth row is started by Jablin from Chennai, followed by Kiran of Nileshwar, and finishing the fifth row is Sijo Paul Lowe's from Bangalore. And the sixth row and the last rider is Rasul Mohammed. The race has just begun. The riders are now moving towards turn 1. A good start for all riders there. The race is led by Navneet Kumar of Puducherry there. The riders are now moving towards turn 2. As we so there is a change. Looks like position. It is a change in position. The race leader is changed by the time they move on to turn 3. It looks like it's Alvin Sundar from Chennai who's leading the race. Need to wait to see the color of his leathers. It looks like Alvin Sundar, bike number 3, is leading. Yes, it's bike number 3, Alvin Sundar, leading the race as we move on to the back straight, as the riders finish the sector 1 and move towards sector 2 and turn 4. As we move on to turn 4, it's Alvin Sundar leading the race, and there is a change in second position as well. There's a close fight for the second position between 3 riders. They are dicing them, and Alvin Sundar, who started from P4, has moved away and taken a good lead to lead the race. We'll shortly update on the second, third and fourth position. There's a close fight for the second, third and fourth position happening. On the screen is the race leader, competition number 4, Alvin Sundar from Chennai, leading the race. And on second place is rider number 2, rider number 4 on third place, rider number 5 on third place. Rider number 2 is Navneet Kumar from Puducherry, who started from P2. There has been a crash. 2 riders have crashed. The race leader continues to be there, and both riders safe. It's rider number 3 at leading the race. The riders have completed the first lap and are coming to the end of lap 1. The riders getting down the bridge corner. That's the end of lap 1. As the riders cross, it's competition number 4. Competition number Alvin Sundar leading the race, followed by Navneet Kumar, and on third place is Mohammad Yusuf. Mohammad Yusuf started up from 10th place and has moved on to third place. And on fourth place is Avinash Bora, and on fifth place is Uday Prakash. We are on the second lap of the 6th lap race. The race leader, Alvin Sundar, is having a close to 3 seconds lead from the nearest rival there, Navneet Kumar. Navneet Kumar and Mohammad Yusuf fighting for the second and the third place. And on the distant fourth place is Jayant. Competition number 10 and 2 dicing for the second and the third place. As they move on to sector 2 at turn 4, it's Navneet Kumar of Puducherry leading. Mohammad Yusuf trying to make a move on Navneet from the outside. He's taking a wider line, still side by side, hasn't made a move, but now he is on the inside while they move on to turn 7. Still no change. It's still Navneet. Yes, Mohammad Yusuf has now done a move and has now moved on to second place. Mohammad Yusuf has done a move and is on second place. No, it's Navneet on second place. There's an incident at exit of turn 8, lap 1, will be investigated after the race. The incident will be investigated after the race by the race officials. As we are coming to the end of second lap, it's Alvin Sundar leading, followed by Navneet Kumar, and on Third place is Mohammad Yusuf. Just informing the viewers that there was an incident at the exit of turn 8 where we saw two riders going out in the lap 1. This incident will be investigated by the race officials after the race. Now getting back to the race, there is a close fight for the second and the third place. Mohammad Yusuf and Navneet Kumar. It's Navneet Kumar on the second place and Mohammad Yusuf on third place. Both fighting very closely as they come. Mohammad Yusuf overtakes, and while they come onto the turn 2, it's Mohammad Yusuf on second place and Navneet on third place. Come to the end of lap 2, it's Mohammad Yusuf crossing the start finish line for second place, and it's on third place is Navneet Kumar. On your screen, Navneet trying to make a move on the inside. Yes, he is moved on to second place and Mohammad Yusuf is moved on to third place, while the race leader is comfortably there with a 4.5 second lead is Alvin Sundar from Chennai. On the second and third place, a close contest between Mohammad Yusuf and Navneet Kumar. The riders there moving at the king. It's still a close battle between Mohammad Yusuf and Naveen Kumar. It's now Mohammad Yusuf leading at second place, followed by Navneet as they move on to the second sector. Navneet moves wide to see if he can make a move. No. Navneet now trying make a move on Mohammad. Still no. They are side by side. Yes, Navneet has moved on from the outside and has taken the racing line, defending his line there. And Mohammad Yusuf has moved on to third place. Navneet trying to move away from Mohammad. He is increasing his lead, but will Mohammad catch up with him? Yes, Yusuf is right there and joining the party. There is Jayant closing on to the second bunch. On your screen is race leader Alvin Sundar with a comfortable lead of 4.3 seconds. This is a close battle for second place between Mohammad Yusuf and Navneet Kumar. That Mohammad Yusuf on inside and on Navneet Kumar outside. And now Navneet on second place and Mohammad on third place. Mohammad Yusuf started from the 10th place and has moved on to second place. Now on third place. It's a change in position every corner between Mohammad and Navneet. Mohammad from Coimbatore and Navneet from Puducherry. As they come to the end of third lap, it's Alvin Sundar leading with close to 5 seconds lead. The riders are now coming down the bridge, and it's Alvin Sundar from Chennai leading the race as he moves the start finish line. And on second place is Navneet Kumar. Where is Mohammad Yusuf? We don't get to see Mohammad Yusuf on bike number 10. Yeah, he is there. There is a gap between Navneet and Mohammad Yusuf of 1 second now. And Alvin still leading by 4.5 seconds as we enter to the fourth lap. Navneet moving away from Mohammad now. Navneet is 0.9 seconds ahead of his nearest competitor, Mohammad Yusuf. On your screen is Alvin Sundar comfortably leading the race with a gap of 4.5 seconds. Is Navneet Kumar on second place, and another second gap is Mohammad Yusuf. Will Mohammad Yusuf buck up and catch up with Navneet in this lap? Time to wait and watch. And there's a close battle with these four riders. Competition number 2, 15 and 12 there for 8th, 9th and 10th position. The battle on your screen is for 8th, 9th and 10th position. We are on the third lap of the race. The race is led by Alvin Sundar. Alvin Sundar started from Alvin Sundar started from 4th place and is now leading the race comfortably, followed by Navneet Kumar, and on third place is Mohammad Yusuf. On your screen is the race leader Alvin Sundar. He is having a 4.8 seconds lead now. There is a rider dropped out. Is he from the leading bunch? Not sure. The rider is still lying down. The marshals will have a look at it, and the race officials as well will communicate with the marshals with their radio equipments there. And on second place it's Navneet Kumar, and on third place is Mohammad Yusuf from Coimbatore, Navneet from Puducherry. The riders coming to the end of four laps. The riders entering the bridge complex, and Alvin Sundar, the race leader, taking the last corner now and coming onto the start finish line, leading the race by As I count, it looks leading the race by 4.5 seconds, and on second place is Navneet Kumar and Mohammad Yusuf on third place. And on fourth place is Giant. Giant is closing on to Mohammad. Will he be able to pass him as we are on the penultimate lap of this race? On your screen is the fight for the 4th, 5th and 6th position. The bunch catching up with Mohammad Yusuf, who is on third place. We are on the penultimate lap here. That's race leader Alvin Sundar, Navneet Kumar and Mohammad Yusuf. Giant, who's on fourth place, is 3 seconds behind Mohammad Yusuf, so it would be difficult for him to catch up in the remaining 1.5 laps. The grid is now completely spread across. That's Alvin Sundar on your screen at turn 8 with a comfortable lead of 4.5 seconds, followed by Navneet, who is again 2.5-3 seconds ahead of his nearest competitor, competition number 10, Mohammad Yusuf from Coimbatore. Lap 2 saw a very close fight between Navneet and Mohammad, shifting their positions every corner, and it was Navneet's skills that helped him out move away from the bunch, and now Navneet leading by 3 seconds from his. Alvin Sundar moves out of the track. There is a mechanical failure on his bike. The race leader, no, doesn't look like a mechanical failure. The bike is riding, but not sure what happened. Alvin went out of the track and is joined back the track now. Alvin has lost his position. Alvin is on third place. Now the new race leader is Navneet Kumar. We'll have to wait and see. That's Alvin Xavier, who was leading the race, went out and has joined back the track. We are now entering into the last lap. Have to see the race leader here is Navneet Kumar, who will be now leading the race. Yes, that's Navneet Kumar starting the final lap, and Mohammad Yusuf on second place, and on third place is competition number 11. Competition number 11, Sudha Kumar, who's moved on to third place. Alvin Sundar has moved down as he went out of the track and come. Where is Alvin Sundar now? Alvin Sundar is on fourth place. Will he be able to make a podium finish? Looks difficult. He is way behind. He is at least 5 seconds behind from the third position rider Giant, competition number 11. The new race leader is Navneet Kumar from Puducherry, who is leading, followed by Mohammad Yusuf on bike number 10 from Coimbatore. And on third place is competition number 11, Giant. Very unfortunate for Alvin. He moved out of the track there, but he's still in the race. He would gain some useful points. That's another rider who's out of the track. Competition number 16. Competition number 16 out of the track. We are on the last lap, and Navneet there leading the race comfortably, followed by Mohammad Yusuf, and on third place is Giant. The riders don't do any mistake. They will finish it off in this order. Navneet Kumar leading the race, followed by Mohammad Yusuf, and on third place is Giant. Very unfortunate for Alvin on fourth place, who went out of the track. Nevertheless, he could join the track and is still on fourth place. He will be gaining a lot of points there for this championship. On your screen is the race leader, viewers, who is leading the race and coming into the penultimate corner of this last lap onto the bridge, coming down the bridge straight to finish the race at the last corner. That's Navneet Kumar on your screen, who would be taking the checkered flag comfortably here for the race 3 of the novice. That's Navneet Kumar winning the race for Puducherry, followed by competition number 10, Mohammad Yusuf from Coimbatore, and on third place, waiting for the third rider, Giant finishing third, and on fourth place is Alvin Sundar. Good look at it, he has body language, pretty disappointed. Alvin is pretty disappointed by himself for the mistake he did and went out of the track. Viewers, we have come to the end of race 22 of the weekend. the TVS One Make Championship Novice Race 3. A quick look at the race finishers. The race was won by Navneet Kumar, followed by Mohammad Yusuf on second place, and the third place by Giant competition number 11, Alvin Sundar on competition number 4 finishing 4th, and competition number 6, Uday Prakash finishing 5th, and on 6th place is Sejup, and on finishing 7th is competition number 9, Sudhir, finishing 8 is competition number 12, Gokul, and on 9th place is competition number 13, Jebel, and on 10th place is Avinash Bora, and followed by Teja at 11th position and Mohan Babu at 12th position. 3 riders who did not finish the race were Russell, Yashoda and Jagdish. While the riders are on their finishing lap, the fastest lap of the race was set by Alvin Sundar at 2 minutes 11.099 seconds. Competition number 4, who led the race for 4 laps and with a silly mistake went out of the track, but nevertheless brilliant ride by Alvin, getting back onto the track and finishing 4th. He would accumulate some important points for the championship. Viewers, while I move to my colleague at the pit lane to talk to the leaders, a quick reminder: the next race would be the Idemitsu Honda India Talent Cup one make race, open category, the NSF 250 hardware bike. The next race would be part of Idemitsu Honda India Talent Cup Honda one make open category. Over to my colleague at the pit lane, Palni, to talk to the leaders. That's Navneet Kumar on your screen, the race leader. Over to you, Palni.
Actually, I was not reading in the first 2 laps and all because I'm just getting used to the tire. Uh, After race by race, I'm trying to understand the tire, and now it's okay. It's actually good for me. Now, for the last 3 races, I'm the winner, so I'm expecting the race the same for the next upcoming races. Thank you.
The race was really good. Starting from 10th, I finished second. I was really happy. But only thing I was disappointing was my brother ran out from the track. But okay, we'll make it next time. Thank you.
It was really good. This is my first podium. I got an okay start and then I went chasing after the leaders. And there was an incident in C9 and I saw a rider crash out and then I capitalized and made a move. And I was in P4 by then. And I tried to close the gap, but I was not able to do it. And I just maintained the pace, just kept it in my head and kept it going. And I saw the leader make a mistake, and by running out wide in C8, and as soon as he went out wide, I knew that I was going to go ahead and close that gap. So it's a gifted podium, but then I'm happy that it is my first podium. Not the way I wanted to win it, but then yeah, I'm happy. It's a good race. I I would like to convey my thanks to TVS and as well as Eurogrip for the bike as well as the amazing tires. So that's about it. I wish many more to come.